Good morning, everybody. First thing this morning, I'm getting this SCL 1000 to a customer. He actually wanted every attachment that I have, which is forks, the auger, the bucket, and the trencher. So it's not super easy getting it all loaded up on one trailer, and it won't be super easy getting it all off, but I'll get this off. It'll tilt because that weighs more than this, and then when I get it off, I'll unattach from that, and then I'll just one by one attach to each one and get it off. But all right, so we'll go get this delivered. All right, so he only needs the bucket at this location. So I'm gonna take the trencher off for him and get the bucket on and then load the trencher back up for him. And then he's actually taking the trailer also. So I'll leave the trailer here and I'll keep all the attachments on and tied down for him. He's got a lot of work to do this week. A lot of jobs going on. This is kind of why multiple attachments are a pain with with one trailer, especially with the equipment trailer tilt deck. Because as you can see, it tilted because of the weight in the back. So I don't know. I haven't really found out the best system yet. Maybe you guys have some ideas for a better way to do this. It's hard with multiple attachments. I don't know the right thing to do. It works though. It's kind of a pain, but we get through it. And I probably don't have to lock it every time, but I don't. I just rather be safe. I don't want that thing coming off. Even if I'm just moving it from one place to another. Now, because I can't drive up there because of the weight, I'm just gonna have to, I guess, put it on the side for now. And he's gonna have to deal with all this, unfortunately. But that's part of it. Kind of what you just have to do. So when he's done moving all that dirt in, he's ready to go to his next job, he'll probably have to unload this stuff, which I was gonna do for him because I didn't know all this was going to different jobs. So it's kind of a pain for him, but so at least he could do this job real quick and then worry about his attachments. But he'll be here in a bit and I'll get payment from him. He's gonna pay for today's and then he's gonna pay for a week. He'll have it from Friday to Friday. So it'll be two separate deals, but I guess I don't need to strap these down for him because he's gonna have to move them off to get his mini skid back loaded up. So I'll probably just do it like this for now and show him how to do it all so he can do it himself when he's done with the bucket and that load there. All right, so I'm on my way. I'm actually gonna go deliver these attachments to his job site. They have a telehandler that can take them off. I loaded them with the forklift. And see, this is the difficult part when you're transporting the attachments. You have to use the machine to get the attachments off. Well, the problem with that is then you load the machine because you have to use the weight to get it to tilt. Well, now you have no machine there to put the attachments back on the trailer. People watching probably think, oh, it's no big deal, that's easy, I can do that. But it's really harder than you think. It's kind of a weird system that you have to try and figure out how to do. And so when I get there, you can't lift these off by hand. So luckily they have a telehandler, they'll get them off, and then luckily for the week he's gonna have this machine, they won't have to go anywhere. So you can just leave them there when he's done, and then hopefully they can just load them all up with the telehandler, get them back to our shop when they're done with it next week, and then I'll use our forklift to get all the stuff off. So I'm headed over to their job site, to another location in Caldwell, and we'll get them unloaded. Then I'm gonna bring him back the trailer. This is just kind of service we provide. We're just awesome like that. So I'll get to that right now. Also, side note, if you watched our other video, we had a customer that broke the screen on one of our mini skidsters. It quit working on a customer yesterday, just quit altogether. The screen just quit, went out, wouldn't move, so we had to go take the tow truck out there, load it up, got it back to our place. Mickey said it kind of will work intermittently on and off, so I was having to cancel. I've got all kinds of jobs scheduled for that thing, and I was gonna have to cancel them. I called our dealer, who we get our parts through in Caldwell at Burke's Tractor, and they just got it in. So I'm gonna head over there after I get this trailer back to this customer. I'll get the screen and we can put that in that machine, which is essentially the whole computer to that machine, and hopefully it'll fix it and it'll start working. I assume that's what's wrong with it since the screen got broke. That's the only thing we can assume. So we have today, literally I have like 4 or 5 hours to get this thing fixed and good shape because it's going out tomorrow to another customer. So we gotta make sure it's in, we gotta test it, make sure everything's good to go. And yeah, so fingers crossed. All right, so here's our machine. I was just talking to Mickey.
We apologize for your long wait.
No, he's on hold with somebody. He was saying that there was water. What were you saying, Mickey? There's...
I had it upside down and I came back out and there was water puddled over here in the corner.
Yeah, so we were worried that maybe water was going to get in that crack from when that guy cracked it, so...
Hopefully that takes care of it.
Hopefully that takes care of it. That new piece should just plug right into that. And then, I don't know what the programming is going to be like. I don't know if we can just plug and play and it works, or...
Yeah, plug and play.
That's kind of what we're thinking. So then we'll just put our code in, then we'll get this thing going again. So hopefully it's that easy, huh?
Yeah. Knock on wood.
Yeah. So Jerry is bringing the new one. He should be here any minute. He went and picked it up from Burke's Tractor in Caldwell. So we'll get it in and then make sure this thing's good. I've got it rented tomorrow and then a whole bunch scheduled after that. So hopefully that'll fix it. We'll kind of show you guys the progress and the process of how to fix this thing. Yeah.
Over here is
yeah, plug it in.
okay.
Moment of truth.
I wonder if the computer holds the code.
Yeah.
Not in this, but
Computer
in the
does. Computer does. Okay, hold up, just make sure everything's all connected and
Working, that's good.
that's what the other one would do, Mike, so yep, that's gonna work.
Oh, wait a minute. What'd you do to it, Jerry?
Uh-oh. A lot of booting up first time. It might have to have that update.
It might have to have a computer update program.
Probably been better I left it on the trailer.
No, we can do it here. We used to download something on a USB and then...
Oh, really?
upload it. Yeah.
Right here, see that? Ain't that the wire right there?
Yeah, there's an upload link. And probably. That's what I was wondering, if it was going to require some sort
it's
of...
gonna want the update.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucks.
Alright. Okay. Okay, well, unfortunately, talked to the dealer. They said that it's better if they just have it because they're not sure what software uploads it's going to need. And so we're going to load it up on the tow truck and take it over there to them. So I'm going to get it loaded on the tow truck and we'll get it delivered and then hopefully they can get it done today. So we'll see. Whew, holy cow, that was really difficult to get off of my truck. We scooped some dirt there. Whew, I did not want to come off. Skated as much as I could under those tracks, but did not want to come off. Well, this is a sad day. I'm here at the dealership. They're gonna try and see if they can do a program, and I hope I don't have to wait very long. So see if we can get it programmed. All right, so I got that delivered to the dealer. Unfortunately, they said they can't get it in till tomorrow. They'll try and see if they can do something today, but they said it was most likely to be tomorrow. Luckily, I was able to reschedule my appointments for tomorrow until Saturday, which is good, but it also makes my Saturday really crazy, but we'll make it happen. I was glad that they were okay and understanding and able to push back those appointments. So that's it for today. Maybe we'll let you guys know, how it goes on the other end, getting that mini skidster back and running. Yeah, thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and God bless. We'll see you guys next time.